on the kitchen mitt.
I did it! Ah! Whoa!
The Lunar New Year, and
Oh, there's a Chinese wonton dumpling.
it's snowing. It's snowstorming outside. Look how much snow. It's snowing in Texas. It's crazy. It is crazy, crazy world. Tomorrow I will see the snow. Maybe I won't. Actually, tomorrow is gonna be below the 0 Celsius. Oh, should we go outside? We don't need to, right? Oh, the lights outside turned off, but it turned on again. Look how crazy it is. Oh no, I don't want to get sick. Like, look at the roof over there. There's snow accumulated on the roof. Oh my gosh, actually on the grass there's a significant...
Right, I told you, just don't look.
It's crazy snowing in Texas. My cat has never seen snow, so my cat is going crazy too. It's doomsday. It's doomsday. My cat is only once. Tomorrow I'm gonna work from home. Well, because of the weather, of course. Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. This is actually the Saturday after the Lunar New Year, and I'm wearing this because I am going to teach a Zoom class and we're going to learn some Chinese and make some dumplings. So let's get started with this weekend. And also I broke my camera just now when I was trying to film this intro because my tripod broke and I was holding on my tripod, so my camera just dropped on the phone and now my flip screen doesn't work. So if you can give this video a thumbs up and don't skip the ads, it's probably going to take a lot of money to repair my camera. Okay, let's get started with our day. So I guess I'll show you how to make dumplings here as well. So basically I'll put you guys right here. We got these wonton skins and these are what it looks like. I also made the stuffings. And let's go. And this is what it looks like. And use water. Dip the water on your fingers to wetten the edges. Fold to a triangular shape. And then tuck in the tummy and then fold the wings. And there you have it. Here you go. There's a Chinese wonton dumplings. I'm gonna make these for the family to celebrate the Chinese New Year. So let's get started. Okay, so these are ready and we're gonna boil them. So we're gonna boil these dumplings. Then we're gonna go do some Pilates class. Yay. It's time to go to my hot Pilates class. So this insulated water bottle helps me to keep the water cool because the class is 90 degrees. I hope summer comes soon. I'll put the link in the description box down below. This water bottle is actually my current favorite because it's really pretty. Okay. Alright guys, it's currently really cold, but we're gonna go to a hot Pilates class. One good thing about this water bottle is it doesn't leak. You can just put it into your purse. I actually have several hydro flasks like this one. Let me show you. I have this one and I have another one, but sometimes I don't know, the lid of those hydro flasks could be a little bit tricky. Sometimes they leak in my purse, and then it definitely happens to me multiple times. But this one is really good because it's pretty tight. So basically I can just put it in my purse instead of like putting those. There's a cat in my sink. Cat is like trying to lick my dishes. Okay, we're gonna get ready to go to my Pilates class, get some good workout done, and then come home, do some editing, and prepare for tonight's tutoring. So it's gonna be a working Saturday.
Jello beats.
Ooh, Lex, only been a week or so, trying to find love in the city of gold. Chic as fuck, they, oh my god, killing me to death when I see those eyes. Running till I find that face that drives me in with the body that shape. Fine and curvy, but slightly dirty. Can find an hour, I'm on the journey. Glamorous with the fashion sense of a goddess. She a bad bitch with the finest, the hottest. Cool cat, she just pipe it down so exotic. Sex machine, I swear was robotic. I like it when she speak, but let's stop by the talking. Like Red Fool, I'ma get this party rocking. Classic kind of chick, yeah, you know what I mean. Looking like a scene from a movie screen. Beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl. That ruined my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. See, you gotta keep my shades on, cause she's some good kush. Hit me too strong. She just sipping champagne and got me so gone. Shawty with the attitude, she got it going on. Like the cute ass with the velvet on. Hair flowing back, no makeup on. Been looking for somebody like you too long. So I made you fall in love before the end of this song. Lingerie all the way, you know what I say. Give me that good in the city today. Sitting rooftop, blue sky, whiskey on the rocks. Time going by, ain't looking at the watch. You ain't like a dove in the flock. When I kiss your lips, my whole world stops. If you really wanna, I can take it from the top. That's what I gotta do to get you on my beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl. That ruined my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you.
Okay, it's time to eat early dinner, late lunch. This is the Korean. So basically, these are the Korean corn. It's already boiled, pre-boiled. It's Wong. Hi, Simpy Bear. This is not for you. Yeah. So these are pre-boiled actually. You just need to microwave them and you can eat them. It's actually the type of corn that I used to eat in China. I come from northern China, so most of the corns look like this when I grew up. It's not like the high fructose corn. So we're gonna eat one of these for lunch and start to work on editing some videos. Here we go. I'm editing this vlog, and usually after editing vlog I need to make sure I put all of the songs names in the actual upload so that I don't get copyright claim. And this is my new MacBook Pro, so I will be transferring, actually I already transferred everything. I just need to start using this one. So I'm actually very excited. Hopefully the MacBook Pro is going to be helpful in rendering the videos, and I'll probably do a comparison video comparing the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, but I probably need to wipe this. Okay, so let's start working.
Why can't you hear me? My thoughts have you listened for thoughts of stone. My walls will fall when my tears crawl down the skin.
Alright guys, so we're gonna take a bubble bath before my evening work, just trying to relax. First, we're gonna take off my makeup. This is from the brand Wonton. And I got this one from BoxyCharm, and this is their micellar water. Okay, we'll see you after the bubble bath. And then we're gonna use this Valentine's Day bubble balm and to make a pink bubble bath.
Lost in your eyelids.
Guess you guys can't see because the bubbles.
The ones that care for you. 'Cause why would they want to stand by while you fade?
Yay, we are ready to take our bubble bath with some water and edit some YouTube videos. Always working and relaxing at the same time. This is gonna be great.
That traps you
Okay, so it's 7 p.m. almost. I'm gonna start tutoring SAT reading. Okay, so I use this planner. This is my planner, but sometimes I use this to take notes, and I know this working space is a little bit messy, but I was hoping that I would get dinner from Brandon, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna be hungry, I guess.
Come on over if you wanna have a good time. No more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, let's let our mind and bodies intertwine. I take the weight on my shoulders.
Like, look at the roof over there. There's snow accumulated on the roof. That's crazy. The snow is actually on the roof. That is crazy. On the grass, it's kind of thin. The ones on the grass are kind of thin because the grass. Oh, look at this. Look at the snow on the. Actually, it just means that 2021 is gonna be a good year. There's an old Chinese saying that like if it snows on the New Year's, then the next lunar year will be a great year. So snow on the Lunar New Year's is actually symbolic, meaning that next year will be a great year. So I'm wishing for great things happen. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's actually storming. Look at this. I'm so happy I don't have to go to work tomorrow. Driving in this weather is asking for troubles because our roads are not conditioned. Alright guys, good morning. I'm currently not feeling the best. Look at the snow. Even the entire patio. See, the patios actually is covered. So I don't know how the snow got onto our back patio. It got onto our table and chairs all the way. And of course the outside world, the backyard, it's all filled up with snow. That's crazy, right? Oh my gosh. And also, I just want to say we lost our power. So it's currently freezing in the house. And the boss said if you lost the power, just don't have to work because you can't work without the power. So we can't heat up the food, we can't do anything, but this is the current update. This is crazy. Yesterday it was like snowstorming and then the power went out last night. This morning, I don't feel the best. I think it's because it's too cold. Okay. I was thinking about doing a snowman, but we are out of hot water as well, so I don't know what to do. This is a little bit crazy. Okay. Let's go to our backyard. Oh, it started to melt. Okay. It started to melt. It's cold. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm gonna go walk on the snow. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look! Snow footprint. Ha, 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 ha. Wow, look at this. Wow, okay. We're gonna go. Oh my gosh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! It's deep, man! Ah! Oh my gosh! It's so deep! Oh my gosh! I don't think we can walk! Look! Hold on to the railing. Oh my gosh, how do I walk down? Oh my gosh, the railing's all out of ice. How do I make snowman? I can't. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my gosh. Is there one more stairs? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, the snow go all the way. Look at this. Ah! Okay, that's how much. Okay, there are now picture time. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Oh, welcome to the stream. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss Ming, and that is VJ Wong. It's snow in southern Texas. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. The snow is actually so deep to my knee. Oh my gosh.
Not to your knee, that's to your ankle.
To my ankle, over my ankle. Oh my gosh. Not gonna fall down. It's too crazy. Can you take pictures on my phone, please? 3, 2, 1.
Now start moving your arms around. You have to make a snow angel.
Oh my gosh! Picture, picture! Above me, picture! Picture, picture!
Oh, you're so crazy.
Sideways and both ways.
Okay.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, you.
Okay, I would need some help to get up.
No.
It's
Too
apparently
cold.
very hard to get up.
Hurry up. Get on my arm. Hurry up.
I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I did it! Snow angel, I did it! I did the snow angel! Wow, I'm so brave. I'm so brave. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, new update. We were trying to go to his mom's house, but then the driveway was so slippery. I thought I was gonna slip and fall. And then we walked back, we couldn't make it. Oops. Oops, couldn't make it. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm all bundled up. I want to make a snowman, but I don't think we have gloves. You know what? We got mitt. Let's go. We got oven mitt. Alright guys, alternative plan. We're gonna make a snowman. Okay. I guess I don't have gloves because I live in San Antonio. That's self-explanatory. I don't go skiing, but I got the kitchen mitt. So we're gonna make a snowman with kitchen mitt. Kitchen mitt. Let's go. Let's go. I got better boots now. This one is longer. So I think this time it should work. The other one, like there was snow inside, but this one should actually work. So let's go. Be careful, don't slip and fall. Don't slip and fall. Try to hold on to things. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to make it out there. So hard, so hard, so hard. I'm gonna put on the kitchen mitt. I actually have no idea what you guys can see or cannot see. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Am I actually filming or it's kind of too fluffy. Oh, I think the first snowball. Now we're gonna make a smaller one as the head. Oh, I don't know how to make the other head. Oh, I think I know how. I think I know how now. Actually, I'm gonna make a big pile and then carve it out. This is so hard. This is so hard. We just need the buttons and the hat. We should be good to go. I think. Okay, we're back. Let's see if you guys see this. Alright guys, this is kind of sort of creepy. It's a hat. Less creepy. Looks okay, good enough. Yay, I made a snowman. It's sort of creepy, but we're making it work. I don't have carrots or else it would be great. I don't have carrots. Okay, now picture time. Here we go, everyone. I hope you guys have a wonderful year. Oh my gosh. The wind is like blowing so hard actually. I'm worried about my hat. Alright guys, I really cannot feel my feet. And the snowman is pretty much it's done, but I keep losing my eyes. Snowman's a little bit creepy. Here we go. it is a little bit scary, but what maybe give her my hat is a little bit better. This way is a little bit better. Now it's less creepy, but I can't keep it there because the wind is gonna blow the hat away. But yeah, I wish I have a bucket. A bucket would be great, but it works. This is the snowman I made in years. I think last time I made a snowman I was a child. I'm actually from the north, so in winter there's always a lot of snow to make snowman, but not anymore. Okay, alrighty, let's get into the. It's getting cold. Let's go.
The snow is slowly melting, but it's still a lot of snow. I think there's 6 inches of snow right there. So even though it's melting, it's still pretty cold. I think there are people taking their dogs for a walk. That's pretty funny. Look at those trees. That's funny. This is how cold it is. I think my tree is gonna die after this. Somebody made the footprint. Look at how deep the footprints are. It's crazy snow.
Hey guys, so I am back. So the story goes, my camera got out of battery, but the power was out, so I couldn't charge my battery, and then the power is back, so I charged my battery. So the power actually came back, but the workday is almost over. I'm trying to stay warm, try to get as much as heat possible just in case the power is out again. The power was like on and off and on and off and on and off. And the funny thing today is that my husband was using the foot massager and the power was out, and then the massage was like hugging his feet, and then he couldn't got out for a long time until the power is back again. So there's definitely some tricky stuff happening today. Really funny. But yeah, the day is almost over. I'm thinking about doing some workouts after work. And I've been eating, like, 'cause it was cold, so I kept eating and eating to keep my body warm. I haven't been moving much since I did the snowman, so we're gonna do some workouts.
As you may know, this is our foot massager. And then when the power is on, you can turn on the heat. Turn off the vibrator, and then look, it's just having this hugging motion. So if the massager actually stopped when it was hugging your feet left and right, it's gonna be hard to get out of this. But I've been using this to keep my feet warm while working here, so I hope the power doesn't go out again. This is so funny.
Alright guys, I just refilled my water bottle and we're gonna do some trampoline workout and some weight training. We're gonna get this workout going. It's currently 5 o'clock. We still have the power, which is awesome. But before it runs out, we gotta make sure we got all of our workouts and everything in. And let's go. I just got off the stairs. I know, I was like running ups and downs. Got my water bottle refilled. For some reason, my fridge doesn't fill the water anymore. I'm a little bit worried about like water pipes and stuff like that. But the actual sink filter water still has it, so I'm refilling my water bottle. I'm also using the iPhone charger pack. So, yeah. guys, we just finished our workouts. Initially I was thinking about taking a bath, but I was like, taking a bath actually takes a long time. I don't know if I'm gonna take a bath after all. Maybe I'll do, maybe I won't, but before that I need to clean the house a little bit because I have been very busy, and then this area is just, there's so much trash. So, and then I still have some boxes that haven't unpacked. I probably wouldn't unpack all of them today, but since after the workout I felt like my body is so warm, and generally speaking I don't like to wear a lot of random clothes as I'm like moving around cleaning, so I think this will be a good opportunity to clean the house, unpack a little bit more clothes, and yeah, so trying to be productive. Oh my gosh, look at my nose. This is basically a result of dry climate and allergies cleaner. So this is the mask that I use, and I always use the mask in Essence, but I don't really use the cleaner all the time. I'm actually a little bit overwhelmed, but it should be okay. I should be okay.
BJ Wong in the house. What are we making today?
Broccoli, dumplings, gyozas,
Oh yeah, pot stickers.
and beans.
Oh, we have to eat the majority of the food because they have been defrosted. Yeah.
It doesn't die.
Yeah, because we lost electricity. Okay, today we're gonna eat the sriracha chicken gyoza from Daily Pride. I love this one because this one is like spicy. And on the other side, if you can hear something going on, oh, we're preheating the oven. We're gonna do the beets from Costco. We have to eat a lot of things in the freezer because, like, especially the ice cream, I want to say. Is this the last of our broccoli?
You'll live, don't
Can I
worry.
put some water in there?
Don't worry.
I like some water and I like them to then steamed. Beets, this is the last beets in our fridge.
I already took it out.
Oh, you did? By the way, guys, I got these racks from Costco. They actually work really well. Look, I organized these. It was my idea, and it worked really well with our cabinets. The top two shelves are all empty because, of course, I can't reach them. That's the main reason. Okay, these are actually pre-cooked. We just need to heat them up. Bought these from Costco. It's really healthy. Beets are really healthy food. Got it from the Asian store. It's pretty popular sriracha flavor. This is a really nice brand. I love this one because it's spicy. You can't really taste the sriracha, but it's definitely the beet juice, or else Simba would just take it everywhere. Staying on floor. Here we go. This is the radar for our food. Simba prepare. Simba! Simba prepare. Meow meow. Simba's like trying to take opportunities to get into our food. Oh my gosh. It's getting there. It's getting there. The fire's too big for some reason. What's wrong? This one is fully cooked. I actually didn't know. This speaks to I never made these pot stickers. It's always Brandon. You go. Just dump it in there. I don't think that's cooked. It's still kind of cold. You gotta put a little bit of more water. It's getting dry. You gotta put a little bit more water.
Water's sucky. No.
Tell me I'm trying to love. Does without still burn? Fever from you.
guys, let's eat some dinner and editing some YouTube videos. So this guy is watching TV in the back. We're not gonna show the TV just because, you know, copyright, so we're just gonna oh my gosh, this cat is here. Okay, so that's it for today's vlog. I am going to eat my dinner, keep editing my YouTube videos. This is what I do after work every single minute. I'm editing my YouTube videos or working out, editing, working out, and do some household chores and take care of this guy. This guy is always trying to get to my food, so I always have to eat really quickly, guard my food really, really well so that he doesn't get into my food. Yeah. Just like that. Alrighty, that's it for today's vlog. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you're staying warm and happy and healthy. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Thumbs up and subscribe!